to go. Yeah.
Hello, good morning again, viewers, and also to all my followers.
It's the highest, isn't
This
it?
is the highest and it's totally free.
Yes, and then I booked for the other one a little bit
Yeah.
lower so that it's a chill one.
So we're now in Horizon 22nd building. There's a tallest building here in London. Look at this. So from here we're going up on the buildings. Whoa! Napakaganda daw ng view mamaya pag nakapagtawid kami. So yan. Ito yung pangalan ng building, Horizon 22. So may nakausap kaming pulis. Sabi niya napakaganda daw doon. So, So this is my second day here in London. So magandang panahon ngayon, yung weather niya. Hindi masyadong maaraw. Unlike yesterday, so umulan all day. So where is na? Ito yung aming aakyatin na Horizon 22. So napakataas itong building. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So tingnan yung mga structure dito ng building dyan sa London. So parang ano rin, halos pare-parehas dito sa Europe ang design. So ito yung aakitin namin mamaya, second Horizon 22. So London highest free viewing platform.
Huwag mo muna yung video, try mo naman
So
mo.
mamaya babalik kami kasi 12 pa yung aming booking. So maglalakad-lakad muna kami dito. So sana taas ang mga building dito. So aakit na kami ngayon. Yan, aakit na kami dito sa Horizon at makikita namin yung sabi nilang beautiful viewing. Makikita mo yung buong view ng London. Yan. So last level. So nasa 58 level.
Please exit the lift and follow instructions.
Oh, we're here now in 58th floor in Horizon 22 here in London. Yan, kita ko ngayon sa inyo yung tanawin dito. Yan. So we're here now in 50th floor. So you can see now the view of the beauty of London. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. So imagine, nandito kami sa 58th floor. Look at that. Napakaganda ng view. Ganda. Talagang bababa ka sa... Sis, nakakahilo tignan. Grabe. So ito yung beauty ng London, oh. Makikita mo talaga. Saksi ito daw yung pinaka-highest building dito. Galing. Ganda. Ito, dito naman kami sa kabilang side. Ayan ang London Bridge. Oh, ayan. So, tanaw na tanaw talaga. Oh. Oh, yung mga warship pa. Oh.
Going there. That sky garden. Beautiful weather.
Galing.
Ano na yan?
So, ayan yung river connected sa London Bridge.
River Thames na yun.
Pagaganda pala ng view rito, no? Talagang kita mo lahat.
Diba? Kahit, matawad na yan. Yung bridge. Tower Bridge.
Ganda. Oh, yan, oh. Oh. Tingnan na yun. Kuya, kita tayo, oh. Ang ganda pala talaga dito. So, ayan sa akin mga viewers, followers, para rin kayo nakapamasyal dito sa London. Just to make sure na makita nyo yung beauty ng London, umakyat kami dito sa Horizon 22, free viewing. Ganda.